So let's look at Amazon.com's business model, Canvas. So Amazon is actually an online retail store. So it now does not just only sells books, but it sells many things online. It also has Amazon devices as well as Amazon Prime as a product. And this product serves global consumers via the Amazon's website. So essentially, it is utilizing websites and mobile apps as well as an affiliate program. An affiliate program is a program where you get commission from referring other websites or other products on the internet. So how does Amazon.com retain customers or get more customers? So essentially, in order to sell more products, what it does is it has an algorithm that identifies similar products and make a personalized recommendation based on the consumer interests and spending patterns. So as you can see, it makes money through the sales margins when it's selling the products on the retail's website. As for key activities, it is involved in fulfillment and inventory management, which is crucial to the business of Amazon. You will have in the key resources, the fulfillment centers and inventory. And the cost structure obviously is product inventory costs, the warehousing, the logistics, fulfillment costs, and obviously marketing costs. And Amazon has a lot of merchandise suppliers. So this was the initial customer segment. However, having a huge data center and infrastructure for e-commerce makes it viable for Amazon to then consider servicing a new customer segment, which is the third-party sellers. So, in order to serve the third-party sellers, Amazon changed itself to become a marketplace fulfillment, and that enables many thousands of people to actually conduct retail online without having to worry about fulfillment, without having to worry about branding, without having to worry about positioning in the market, getting discovered in the vast internet world. So from there, Amazon gets additional commissions, fulfillments, and shipping fees. And then it serves another customer segments, which are startups and enterprises. So what it offers is the Amazon Web Services. So essentially, when you have that kind of infrastructure, it is obvious that you should also provide startups and enterprises the ability to host, co-locate, and as well as build cloud utility on that particular infrastructure. So what it does with that is it creates an API for Amazon Web Services. So essentially for people to link to the e-commerce front of Amazon as well to a lot of other specific internet applications and things like that. So to build the relationship, Amazon created an AWS developer program where it builds relationships with AWS developers. So this ensures that a lot people of startups and enterprises will actually stay and stick with Amazon as a service provider. And of course, from the startups and enterprise, Amazon makes money by charging utility computing fees, which is basically the subscription to the AWS on cloud. And the key activities for that particular business is technology and R&D. And you must have huge data center infrastructure. And of course, over on this side, the key partners would be IT IT hardware and suppliers. Whereas in the cost structure would be the IT infrastructure costs by itself. So essentially, you can see how we have divided the different customer segments according to colors, and has linked back the color scheme by customer segments throughout all the other 8 elements. So with this, you're able to, in a one snapshot, visualize what the business model for Amazon.com is. And on top of that, Amazon also creates another service for content creators. Now you can publish an ebook on Amazon.com, which is basically helps you from the ideation all the way to selling on ebook on the platform, on Amazon's platform. So now you take that business model canvas, and then you also apply it to what we have learned before, basically coming up with a customer value proposition, the job that you're trying to satisfy. So as you can see, Amazon operates retail website to help customers search, review, and purchase items instantly. So that actually depicts the business model of Amazon.com, where it has high cycle turns because of the internet nature of things, low margins because the repetitions of and then you would have to come with an offer which would interest volumes of people to come and buy, so you have to lower down the margins. However, you have low overheads and you can increase the sales cycle, so in the end it is more profitable. So in terms of key resources, Amazon's key resources are more designed towards order fulfillment. Unlike a traditional bookstore might have very specific warehouse, logistics systems, and retail store system, as in opposed to Amazon's e-commerce infrastructure.